So you might have read the title, and I'm pretty much sure that every student might have gone through the situation of staying the whole night awake and preparing for an exam that is the next day. And in my case, my semester exams were going on, and the next day I had the paper of basic concepts of Python programming. So before we dive into how the paper went, let's just quickly go through how did I survive on just 30 minutes sleep on to answer the. So what made me sleep for just 30 minutes the entire night? And no, I was not studying, and neither was I scrolling through Instagram or watching reels. Uh, I live in the hostel, and the mosquitoes are quite annoying that day. Like, I even closed the windows, and still these mosquitoes are just coming near my ears and just not letting me sleep. And here's the interesting part. Even when I didn't fall asleep, rather than studying, I was talking to ChatGPT, bro. Like, instead of studying for my exam, which is the next day or maybe in a few hours from now, I was talking to ChatGPT on what can I do if at all I fail. The exam starts. I reach the examination hall. To be honest, my eyes were kind of getting blurry over there. I was hella confused, like what is going on around and what to actually think of. And the moment I got the paper in my hand, to be honest, I could recall all the answers, but I was not able to frame them properly in the sentences. So I was fighting with my mind for like 1.5 hours straight, and then I just went out of the exam hall and like, nah, yeah, this is not my thing. Let's just leave it. But yeah, it's not that much of a serious condition. Like, I had studied already, so yeah, I already revised like 2 3 times. Okay, so I don't know, I pass or not, that I'm not sure about it. If I pass, good. If I don't, let's just re-answer the exam, I guess. Now, will I recommend that thing? I would say no, especially during exams. No, please don't try to do all-nighters and all that, because at the end, when you go to the examination hall, you are just going to feel very tired and you won't even remember a single thing what you're studying. I know it might work for a few of you guys, but it didn't work in my case, not that much at least. So yeah, my suggestion, please don't do that shit. Okay, go take some sleep, or at least complete way before the actual examination dates in order to maintain a safe zone for revision. So yeah, hope you got it. Thank you.